Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by eliminating common blockers. Check your Wi-Fi versus cellular. If signal is weak, switch networks now. Weak links drop images. Once done, force close Instagram and clear the app cache to remove corrupt temporary files, then reopen. Make sure the app is updated and has storage and network permissions so images can download. These steps remove immediate software and permission barriers. They often fix loading without deeper changes, so do them before moving on. Next, you tackle network and app integrity issues. Toggle airplane mode for about 10 seconds to force a fresh DHCP lease. That can fix stalled requests. If multiple apps fail, reset your device network settings because corrupted DNS or proxy values block images. Once network looks good, uninstall and reinstall Instagram to ensure no corrupted binaries remain. Make sure your device date/time is automatic. Incorrect clocks cause SSL failures. These middle steps rebuild the environment Instagram needs to fetch photos reliably. To finish, you perform account and isolation checks. Log out, restart the device, then log back in to refresh your session tokens. This solves many server authentication glitches. If photos still won't load, try Instagram on another device or in a browser to see if it's account-wide or device-specific. If the problem persists, contact Instagram support with your device model, app version, and a brief timeline. One key troubleshooting tip: use a short VPN test. If photos load over VPN, your ISP or DNS is the culprit.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.